Hi everyone, welcome to another new episode of CKE&S channel. At CKE&S, we provide solutions and quality products for your agricultural needs. In this episode, I will focus on one of the core businesses of CKE&S, which is the automated poultry slaughtering machine. We have more than 30 years of experiences in turnkey projects, in developing and producing as well as providing maintenance and services for automated slaughtering machines. Our satisfied customers include Charan Pokpan, or better known as CP of Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, and Bangladesh, as well as other well-known customers like Betagro, Cargill, Ajinomoto, Belaki, Bosch, and others. Today, I will talk about the automated slaughtering machines designed and manufactured by ourselves, tried and tested in one of the best poultry slaughtering factory in Thailand, and they love the result. Let's take a short tour of the slaughtering line. The main task in slaughtering section is plucking the feathers and preparing them for the evisceration process. That is why the poultry must be as clean as possible when exiting the line so the subsequent departments fulfill its job better. The slaughtering process also directly affects the product quality and of course in turn affects the grade and price of the poultry. Slaughtering errors will cause various negative effects on the products, and for this reason, this process is the most crucial and must be done automatically, quickly, and with the least negative effects. Therefore, the functionality, speed, and accuracy of the machines in the slaughtering section are very important. It has to be quick and precise so that the chicken will come out clean and hygienic. Our engineers can tune the slaughtering machine in synchronization with the following conveyor line. It offers various setting options for poultry weight and size from 1.5 kilograms to 5 kilograms, and the speed of slaughtering from 3,000 birds per hour to 12,000 birds per hour, ensuring every section of the automated line runs with full efficiency. CKE&S provides the best solution, and we are confident that the quality of the new automated slaughtering machine and the service of our products will exceed customer satisfaction. If you are interested in our products or need further information, feel free to get in touch with us with the ways available printed above and also below. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please click like and subscribe as a gesture of support. See you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.